We all find ourselves making long to-do lists and never really ticking them off. There are certain things on the list that have been there for months and we are still not able to overcome our procrastination and actually get to doing it. There's some kind of an internal resistance that is stopping us from getting it done. So I'll tell you a very simple technique which comes from NLP, which is Neuro-Linguistic Programming. And it only takes 5 minutes to be done, and it's very simple. All you need to do is sit with your eyes closed and follow the instructions. So you all can pick just one task that you need to get done, a task which is important and you have still been procrastinating about it. So just pick that one task, and once you have picked a task, you can close your eyes. I'm going to ask you to imagine a rectangle. In this rectangle is a picture of you doing something that really makes you happy. It could be anything from painting, reading, playing, dancing, any hobby which you love doing and would love to do it again sometime. Remember what it is like to do that, and what will it be like to do that again. Imagine yourself doing it. Imagine all the details, the colors, the sounds, and the movements. What do you feel while doing it? Pay attention to how happy you feel while doing this. You have to completely get into the picture to feel the happiness. See yourself doing it again. Maybe you're dancing, painting, reading, whatever it is. And once you have that happy feeling within, put this rectangle out in front of you. Now, between you and the picture of your hobby, I want you to put another rectangle. This rectangle has an image of the task that you have been putting off. Just see the picture. Maybe it's a pile of files to be read, a cupboard to be cleaned, or a report to be written. Whatever it is, just picture it. This picture, however, isn't moving. It's still. It's a still picture representing the thing that you need to get done. Now, right in the center of this picture of the task, make a hole, a little hole, so you can see the hobby, the thing that you love doing, from this hole, the thing that is behind it. From the hole, you can now see the picture of your hobby. You can see yourself happy and enjoying. Keep looking at your hobby from the hole you made till you get the happy, joyous feeling again. Notice how the picture of the hobby is brighter and more better looking than the task, and you feel great looking at it, doing it. As soon as you get this feeling, hold on to the feeling and start closing the hole. Just close the hole little by little while holding on to the feeling. If you find the feeling starting to go away, the happy, joyous feeling starting to go away, open it a little more again till the feeling gets stronger and comes back. And then shut it again, slowly and gently. And after doing this, you are much more likely to do the task now. If not 100%, let's say there's a 50% reduction in the internal resistance towards doing that task. You can repeat this process number of times to reduce it even further and to stop procrastinating and get things done.